church online. What's up, Kira?
Look at my heart. Look. Mom.
Nice artwork.
Arty art.
Kayla, what's the topic for today?
Moses. It's about Moses.
We aren't talking about the peaceful river here. On some days, the waters will also get very rough. And for baby Moses to survive that was in itself a miracle.
Yeah, it was even gloomier earlier when it was raining. Sarap maglugaw.
I have no idea what
Psalms 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads. In this context, what comfort means is that to take us from an intense place of anxiety and fear. Okay, again, it's not to say that in this hour we will not experience fear. But we have the protective presence of God that assures us so that we are able to overcome those fears. Again, this is not to say we will never ever have fear. This is just to say we have a God that because we know Him, we know His protective presence is with us, we are able to overcome this fear. And that's why from fear and anxiety, that state of being, it is transition. The word comfort means it's transition to a state of assurance and security and peace.
So today, we are gonna make lugaw for the perfect gloomy weather.
Finally rainy season. And we're going to make our own version of everyone's favorite rainy day dish. That is the chicken arroz caldo or chicken lugaw.
Yep.
And we're also going to
Andun na
bathe
yung-
under the rain.
Yep, andun na yung mga bata na.
Yan, swimming na sila.
Sunday kasi ngayon, di ba? So, family day, everyday family day. And yung usual natin, di ba, pag Sunday.
And I also prepared the ingredients para makita niyo muna.
Yep. Start na natin.
So for our ingredients, we'll be needing the following. Chopped ginger, finely chopped garlic, chopped spring onions, chopped 1 head of white onion, and some calamansi. For our grains, we'll be using 1 cup of sticky rice and 1 cup of your regular premium grade rice. And for the condiments, we have chicken broth cubes, patis or fish sauce, and your basic salt and pepper. We have the whole chicken. We didn't dice it anymore. We want it in big pieces. And eggs. And we'll be using regular palm oil to fry it. We also prepared 1 pot of water for the lugaw. Supposed to come out like that. Almost there. So at this point, I think it's time to add the additional condiments. Nerve na. Let's pray. Lord.
Like this, Kira, like this.
Hey, pray. Hey, Kira, like this. Alright, Lord. Lord God, thank you for today. Thank you for allowing us to have fun, to swim, and to be safe and healthy, Lord. Thank you that you're guiding us and covering us with your sacred blood, Lord. Thank you for keeping us safe. Thank you for the food before us. Thank you for this wonderful day. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Napapanahon na naman mga sabaw-sabaw,
Yum, yum.
mga porridge. So we made our own arroz caldo. And kasi we thought na bagay din naman sa weather. And then ligo sa ulan, swim, you know, to basically to cap off summer. Kasi patapos na rin eh. So we're ringing in the rainy season in style. Even carton cheating.
Carton that.
Rami?
Yeah.
But you're only eating the egg.
But I'm eating my lugaw.
Very good.
I'm eating the egg.
So to welcome in the rainy season, we're going to celebrate it with a rain bath!
Yeah.
Yeah! Summer heat begun! Alright, Kayla, Kira.
I did almost did it.
My turn. Go, Kayla!
Wow!
I did almost did it.
Wow! Papa's turn. Wow!
Alright, so I think the rain is starting to let up. So we'll just stay in the pool so we can catch some more water. Yeah!
Wow, we can make one.
And we have a shark too. Baby,
Wow! It's raining hard. Umuulan pa din. Almost the whole day today umulan. Ang sarap matulog. Ang sarap mag-relax. Bye, summer!
And to conclude our new normal Sunday, we're going to cap it off with a movie!
Movie night!
Yay! Movie night!
A while ago, gumawa kami ng homemade pizza and pasta with our popcorn. And we want to say thank you again to Nanay and Pops for our cute matchy-matchy pajamas. Thank you!
I feel so macho.